Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. 1 kilometer long lines of devotees seen at Katkar at night. On the auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri, Shiva devotees stood in lines for darshan at 8 am in the Katkar Shiva temple yesterday. Anurag Thakur met with Finance and Defence Minister. The Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Mr. Anurag Singh Thakur, paid a courtesy call to Defence Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh and former Defence Minister and current Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman after promotion to the rank of Lieutenant to Captain in the Territorial Army. Fourth time tender has been opened for Town Hall restaurant. Firms are not interested in opening a restaurant in Shimla's Town Hall. The municipal corporation had earlier opened the tender twice to run the restaurant in the disputed town hall, but nobody has shown interest. Revenue Minister gives assurance of good days. Revenue Minister Mahendra Singh Thakur said that the government will soon fill the vacant posts of patwaris. By the year 2023, 1,195 posts of patwaris will be vacant. These posts will be filled on completion of training. Olive green color will not be used on vehicles. Only army can run such vehicles. In the city, olive green vehicles have been put out of the running. A notification in this regard has been issued by the Himachal Transport Department. People will now get the registries of land sitting at home. For the registry related to the land, people will no longer have to visit the Patwari house and the Tehsil. Now people will get it at their home. City Council Dalhousie appeals to people. Get into the habit of having two dustbins in your homes, shops, and all types of business establishments, one dry and the other for wet waste. Such a beautiful city is not for spreading garbage. This was stated by City Council Dalhousie. Cabinet Minister Rakesh Pathania had a meeting in Municipal Corporation wards of Dharamshala. The pain of the merge area has reached the ears of the government. When the cabinet ministers of the government in 17 wards of municipal corporation have started holding meetings on their own. Deputy Speaker of Assembly reached to Chamba to inquire about the well-being of accident victims. Deputy Speaker of Assembly Hans Raj reached Chamba and inquired about the well-being of people, those who injured in Tisa bus accident. He left for Chamba on Wednesday, leaving the proceeding of the House. Kishan Kapoor shown his concern for Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Lok Sabha member Kishan Kapoor from Kangra Chamba parliamentary constituency has requested the Union Ministry of Rural Development to give impetus to the construction of roads under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana in the marginal and remote areas of Himachal Pradesh. Two brothers from Haryana arrested with drugs in Manali. Government set new act to fix fees of private schools in Himachal, preparations to be introduced in the House. The government has formulated a new act to fix the fee structure of private school in Himachal, an attempt to crush the forest department team in Paonta Sahib. In subdivision of Paonta Sahib, an attempt was made to crush the forest department team by carriage. On the occasion of Shivratri, the power of faith in Vijli Mahadev rose. Ishita of Kullu won the title of Miss Teen Glory of India. The title of Miss Teen Glory of India has been won by Ishita Singh Rajput of Kullu, and the name of Kullu and the state has been illuminated throughout the country. Angry local artists erupted over cultural forum being ignored. In the cultural forums from the district to the state level, the local artists have taken their stance on ignoring the small artists of the state. Campaigns should be run to identify Rohingya in the state as well. The task of collecting biometric information of Rohingya Muslims residing in the state along with their residence and other details which started from March 6 is a very important and appreciated decision taken by Jammu administration on behalf of Jammu and Kashmir administration. 41 private schools have not applied for recognition renewal. The Department of Education has not applied for renewal of recognition on behalf of 41 private schools in the district. Counseling to fill various posts on 17th March. In District Kangra, JBT to be filled on the contractual basis for the candidates with disabilities. Panchayat head gets fake letter of job. A new case of online fraud has surfaced. Sushma Rani, the head of Gram Panchayat Dagwar, said that on March 9 she received a non official envelope containing a letter and 5 forms by post. Suresh Bhardwaj said that PM Modi is the man incarnation of Lord Shiva. State government's game of double engine. The BJP government's account of the state's double engine has now registered another major achievement in which 12 corporation boards of the state government already under the mountain of debt are helpless in battling losses of billions. To get the English news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a good day from Diary Times.